guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. If I see a need, I'm gonna hop in there and do it. Some people are like, well, let me just kind of wait and see. I wish I was that person. We had a group chat about something else recently, and Jeffrey was like, Kim, you don't have to be the first person to always say something. I'm like, I do. I have to get it done. I'm from Detroit, guys. That's how we move. Okay? We don't wait. New Yorkers are like that. Let's go. Let's go. What you waiting on? Most Northerners move kind of quick. And I'm from the Midwest, I guess. They don't consider Michigan like north, I guess. I don't know. I've heard that before. I consider myself from the north. But we move fast, honey. My sister, I had to tell her, slow down, pump the brakes. Even at our job we did on Sunday, the girl was in full overdrive. I'm like, chill, okay, Denise? Wait. So, we got to reel it back in. But my natural inclination is let's go. Let's get it. So, I'm very patient and understanding with other people, but I'm realizing too that sometimes that's not always good. We got to put some fire under people. Let's go. All right. We say hi to Lori. Martha says she's doing good. Thank you. I'm doing good too. I'm well. I have an appointment at 11:45. I'm drinking my smoothie. It's not the best because it's 2 days old, but I'm still trying to drink it. I just didn't want to waste it. I might not even finish it. Martha says, Kimmi, it shows you love helping people, and I appreciate you. Oh, you are so welcome, Martha. Martha's in the mentorship program. Lori's in mentorship. Lori, thank you. Like and subscribe. Lori always say, keep it 100, keep it 100. Catricia says, true. Georgia don't have the Ron. Me too, Kimmi. Self-taught. You are right. Northern do move fast. Yeah, girl, we be getting it done. That is correct. You cannot do Ron in the state of Georgia. So my Ron course is for those that can do Ron. Just because I don't do it doesn't mean I don't know about it. Okay? So I have every course you can think of. I don't also do wedding officiants, wedding officiating. I don't do that either, but I have a full-blown course that is really beautiful. I love my wedding officiant course because I know what to do. I pride myself on knowing things and learning if I don't know. So we have the field inspection course, ink fingerprinting course. All of this is all-inclusive in the all-inclusive package. So just read your descriptions. You have plenty of time, no rush. But if you, depending on how fast you want to get your business going, it might be a rush. But no pressure from me today that you got to sign up. But you should sign up if you want to grow your business. If you're really serious about trying to get some of this notary money out here. If you really want to learn the business the right way, okay? If you really want to learn it the correct way. So, yeah, so we do things fast. So, a lot of times I'm like, and I'm very patient. Like I said, I try to have empathy with others. Well, I've been dealing with this. I got my mom. I got my this. I learned my business and did my business while I was caring for both of my parents. Okay? Things just, you got to move. You got to move. You got to move. You got to move. Don't nobody care that your mama's sick. Don't nobody care that your daddy's sick. Don't nobody care. The bills still roll through. And I've experienced that firsthand. And a lot of people still have to go to work after a loss of a loved one. Right? But because of me being able to, well, one, I lost my dad during COVID. So everything was shut down. So I didn't have to go back. It was very rare that I had to go. And then my mom was living with me. So, but I was able to take her on jobs. I know she was my witness and all kinds of stuff, right? But I'm still that person. You just got to do what you got to do. Like Lori is saying, you got to do what you got to do. And Lori is in Illinois, so she know what I'm talking about. She from up that way too. I said we cousin states. I don't want the rest of this smoothie, guys. I'm not gonna finish it. Oh, I don't want to spill on my carpet either. Hold on, let me put it right there. It's just not great. I like it when it's fresh. That one's been in the refrigerator for 2 days. Hey, L Bang, what's up? What's up? So anyway, what other questions do you all have? Any comments on anything we spoke about this morning? We've been talking about you got to get it done no matter what. No more excuses. No more excuses. You in school, you got kids, you got a husband, whatever. Life still goes on. What kind of life do you want? Are you putting all your eggs in the basket that you waiting on Washington to solve your problems? How's that working? How's that working? Now, anything can happen. Anything can happen. I could be sitting right here right now and fall out, right? But have a plan B, guys. Even if your plan B is not notary. I keep saying that. That's my new thing. Have a plan B. Have something else. We've been blessed, my husband and I. We always had a little side hustle. We always had a little side hustle. Always had a side hustle. Now, some we did more than others. We did a daycare. That wasn't a side hustle. That became my real business. I did that for 4 years. But I still didn't know business like I do now when I did that daycare. I did my taxes. I did all that kind of stuff. EIN, da-da-da-da-da. But now I know business, like no business. So, I mean, I got it done. We ate off. Well, Jeff worked too. So I wasn't just eating off my daycare money. But so I had a daycare. We've done carpet cleaning before. We've done mobile car detailing. I mean, fish dinners. We even did that for a moment. It wasn't a big situation, but we actually sold a few fish dinners. So that's my other thing. Jeffrey loves frying fish, y'all. So if things get tough, ever, we can go fry some fish. Sell it up here at the corner store. Go sell some fish dinners and get the coleslaw from Sam's Club and have my sister bake up a pan of macaroni and cheese or whatever, and we're gonna make it happen, y'all. We ain't sitting around here just waiting. And I don't recommend that for you either. What else can you do? And a lot of y'all got your commission. That's the thing. I'm sitting here talking to somebody right now. You have your commission and you ain't making no money. That's 0 cents to me. Zero, guys. We gotta do better. We have to do better. And other people are making it happen. They're making it happen. We have a lot of excuses. Everybody got a situation. That's what we talked about last night. Everybody got a situation. Let's get y'all comments. Let's see what's up. Like Lori was saying, you got to do what you got to do. Gigi. Hey, Gigi Solutions. What's up? What's up? Gigi Solutions says, and I know who she is, but I ain't going to say her name since she don't have to hear. The mentorship is way better than the free info on YouTube. Oh, I appreciate it. Yeah, because so you can only imagine, guys, what we talk about here on YouTube. What's going on behind the scenes in mentorship? What? People say the chat is worth it by itself. So anyway, it's one of the things, if you know, you know, and I try to make it affordable. We have 2 entry points now. There's a $27 plan and a $47 plan. So this whole year for me, you notice I always say no more excuses. No more. So you can't call me on the slide, on the back end. Kimmi, I got a job. Can you help me with? I cannot teach you how to be a notary in 5 minutes. I cannot. You cannot take an assignment. You have 0 training and then think that I'm going to be able to train you to do your assignment in 5 minutes. No, those days are gone. They're over, gone, never, no more. No, you have to invest in yourself. You have to. So am I being negative when I say that I can't help you? No, but I'm speaking facts. My nose is just itching, y'all. It's just facts, though, from just years of experience. Again, you go out and you take a whole buyer's package. You never stamped anything, never notarized nothing. And you accept a package on the slide, on the quick, and I'll just call Kimmi. No, you can't just call me. I do not work like that. I'm not even getting ready to put that stress on myself. No. The reason I like our mentorship too is because you have the training courses, right? So once you watch the courses and you know them a little bit, now you actually go out there and do an assignment. I can come in and help kind of clean that up because you got a little knowledge, you got a point of reference. But if you just go out here willy-nilly, you taking no training from nobody, and usually y'all paying somebody else, but that's another story. That's not my business. But usually you're paying someone else and you can't get what you need. And then you'll say, oh, let me call Kimmi, or let me reach out to Kimmi, and her team. No, guys, we don't do that. Occasionally I'll try to help you to get through something, but I really can't. I got my own jobs. I'm here to go to one right now. So I can't help you do your job and my job. I've invested in myself. You got to invest in yourself.